I'm Russell Taylor. I'm from Austin, Texas, and I work as a geographer. But now I'm not exactly a big deal, but kind of a big deal in like the local biking scene. I'm a member of the Bicycle Advisory Council to the city, and I generally pester the city to improve bike infrastructure. I decided to convert a Huffer here from a plain old non-electrified bike to an electrified bike in order to extend its range and increase its utility. And I generally dress pretty well, and I like to show up not drenched in sweat even in August. And having a little boost in order to make that happen goes a long way. As we say in Texas, this was not my first rodeo. This was in fact my second rodeo, having already converted my wife's e-trike with a previous generation. I'm gonna buy that kit. You're thinking about it if you're waffling on it. Consider how much more it will allow you to ride your bike. That is often a goal of people who have bikes, who love bikes, and are concerned, oh, if I get this kit, I'm going to not really be riding. That's not how. This will make your bike far more than it already is.